Hello everyone and welcome back to our Onshape learning series. If you have been following along, you already know how to create sketches, build 3D parts and even use planes and reference geometry. In this episode, we'll learn how to open the assembly interface, how to insert parts into an assembly, and how to apply made connectors to bring everything together. First, let's understand what an assembly actually is. When we design machines or products, they are actually made of different parts like gears, shafts, bolts, and housings. Each part is designed separately, but they must work together in the final product. Now let's create our first assembly. At the bottom left, you'll see the plus button next to your Part Studio and Drawings. Click it and select Create Assembly. This opens the assembly workspace, a new environment different from Part Studio. Here we don't sketch or extrude. Instead, we bring the parts together and define their relationships. In the center is the graphics area, where you will see your parts and build your assembly. On the left panel, you will find the instance list. It will show all the parts you insert. At the top, you will notice assembly tools like Insert, Mate, Fasten, Revolute, Slider, and more. Next, let's insert our parts into the assembly. Click on Insert button from the toolbar. A panel opens on the right. Here, you can see all the parts you have created in your Part Studio. Select the part you want and click in the workspace to place it. Do the same for other components you need. Each part you place is called an instance in the assembly. Pro tip: usually we fix one main part like a base or housing and assemble the parts around it. To fix a part, right-click it in the workspace or instance list and select Fix. Onshape uses something called made connectors that define how two parts are related, whether they are locked together, can rotate or slide. Each part already has default made connectors on faces, edges or position. Let's try applying a mate. Click on a mate button, for example Fasten Mate. Now select a mate connector on the first part. Then select a mate connector on the second part. Onshape will automatically align and connect them. The Fasten Mate locks the parts together. No movement is allowed. If you want them to rotate, use Revolute Mate. For sliding motion, use a Slider Mate. Once your mates are applied, try dragging the parts into the workspace. If you use a Revolute Mate, you'll see the parts rotate. If it is fastened, it won't move at all. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. You can always edit or delete mates from the instance list and reapply. Thanks for watching this episode of our Onshape learning. In the next one, we will explore advanced sketch tools like constraints and splice. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share it with your friends